Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to ICP update. ICP pumped a little bit a while ago and we saw it going all the way up to 13.634. That was pretty decent, I guess. And this right shoulder isn't really destroyed personally, because your right shoulder may actually have extended to be this one right over here, right? This can actually still qualify to be a right shoulder, because when you look at something that is ascending, right, when you have an ascending head and shoulder especially, then you can actually make a higher right shoulder. So the pump here, and let me just clear one thing, pump never really never meant invalidation. For if you want to pump something, that's the best way to drop it to the downside. I kind of believe there's a saying that goes, when you want to drop something, pump it up first, because when you pump things, it actually psychologically tells you that, hey, things are going good, actually maybe I'm wrong, and it creates that FOMO, fear of missing out, that things are all of a sudden just pumping, and I think I should get in there because I just missed the pump, I don't want to miss the next one and stuff like that. But when it comes to TA, those are some very poor reasoning for you to tell yourself that, oh, maybe it's going to keep pumping and this and that. Well, thank goodness for the charts, because the chart here can actually, this can still qualify being your right shoulder. And as I told you before, that for me, invalidation really happens when 14.179 is met. Okay, if you go on to 14.179, then you have this left shoulder, you have this head here, and you probably have this right shoulder. Now you're going to be having a reversal pattern and break above, and you actually can move to the upside. So let's see, because that's going to be a neckline for a potential inverted and short. So this is a very tricky trade, to be honest with you. And if you come up here, you take out 14.326 and retest probably 13.8, I mean, then you're going to have a nice good technical target. I'm going to tell you the next one. So it goes from there to there, and I would actually be interested to trade this, and we may be looking at $20 move to the upside. So that can be your trade when you do that. So you're going from 13.9 all the way up to 20. So we're talking about a 44% move up, only and only if that really happens. Otherwise, this may just be that you took the stop losses at 12.9, of course, and this may be your new stop for a bearish pattern, which is your potential head and shoulder. But as soon as you're going to break 14.326, which I highly doubt is going to happen if Bitcoin misbehaves, then you're looking for a move down, break above here. Potentially you have a journey all the way to $20. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.